The best way to see Madeira in all its glory is to take an off-road jeep tour. This way you can visit several sites in one day, and they will take you where you can't reach by car or bus, and if they have an open roof, it's an even bigger thrill. You can drive under a waterfall, stand up in the car on the go, and literally touch it with your hands. Drive into eucalyptus forest off-road, smell the leaves of a real eucalyptus right from the tree, cross a mountain stream, and basically immerse yourself in the beauty of nature of the island during the whole trip. Just imagine. And if you get a good guide who is eager to show and tell you as much as possible, with a good sense of humor, then consider yourself lucky. You've hit the jackpot. Have a vibrant and memorable adventure.